Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a beautiful 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. We're going to go into full details on this ride. If you want to find out more information on this specific one or any of the inventory we have, click on the link below. It's going to give you options for transporting, financing, along with if it's going to be headed to auction. Also, please like and subscribe so we can give you more great content just like this. Overall condition, I'd rate this a 6 out of 10. It's a driver quality piece that does have minor imperfections. What we'll do today is we're going to do a complete walk around. We'll showcase any imperfections we see and let you decide if this is the right ride for you. Front end is extremely clean. The urethane bumper is in very nice condition, and this has had a repaint. So you're going to see some blending on the hood right here. Tires are in excellent shape and they look to be brand new. Wheels are in great shape as well. Underside's very nice, so you'll be able to see those pictures in our gallery if you click on the link below. Under the hood, you have a 350. Does have factory AC, but the AC is not operating. The blower motor is not working. You do have power brakes, a setup for your ignition, so the wires have been upgraded to spiral cores. You do have upgraded valve covers along with an air cleaner. Still has a factory radiator, along with a host of other factory parts. Let's go to this side so you can see it. It does have a set of headers as well, and it sounds great when you start it up. Aftermarket Edelbrock Carburetor, and you can see the headers right here. You're going to want to take a look inside this area to see the condition. You can see a little bit of overspray, but it's not bad. And we'll test out all the functions when we go inside for the test drive. I'm going to jump back over to the driver's side. Okay, we're back on the driver's side. Driver's side door is very nice. Interior is nice and clean. Steering wheel still is original. You got your center section there. All the door panels look good. There's your trim tag right in between the door. All the rubbers look good. So it does have removable T-tops. They do have wear, so this one does have a crack in the center, and the other one has a crack in the corner as well. And you'll see that in the gallery. Door closes easily. Rear quarter is very nice. You've got your Corvette emblems here, but it's missing the two pieces. There's your fill. Corvette insignia back here, and all the plastics are very nice. Tail lights work as they should. Passenger side's the same as the driver's side. This is a nice driver quality piece. You can jump in it, enjoy it, work on it as you get to enjoy it. Passenger side door. Door card's very nice. Windows go up and down easily. They're power windows. You can see that the seats are in great shape as well. Let me start it up. So it starts up easily. It sounds very good. It does have a factory style exhaust, but it has been replaced. You can feel it. You can feel the power from that 350. Let's go take it for a ride. All right, we're inside right now. It does have an aftermarket radio.
I'm looking for those police beacons because
you can hear that the sound does come out. Oil pressure's at 40 pounds right now, cold. We have a little bit of fuel. Clock does not operate, and we are charging properly. There you go. We got the idle down. It's about 800. Mileage is showing 16,000 kilometers. So it's probably 116,000 miles. The rear section does have a little bit of wear, and you have a little protective boot here in case you have some valuables. You have a storage box and your battery box as well. It does have a new battery in it. Your air conditioning controls are right here. So we do have some air blowing, but the AC is not cold. It only works on the second setting. There's your glove box, so you can put your 8-tracks in there. Power windows work. You have to help them a little bit, but they do close up. Let's try the passenger side. That one seals up much better. So here's the T-top, so you can see that there are imperfections throughout. Let's see if the lights work. Lights work, so when you open up the door, the light does illuminate. Let's put it in gear. Just put it in gear. Steering feels straight. You do have a telescoping wheel, so you can adjust it. Horn does not operate. Turn signals do work. And you can tilt your wheel as well. So all these cars are headed to bring a trailer. This one just sold on there. That's an 84 Monte Carlo. We have a 2002 Ford Lightning with 30,000 miles. A 2017 Z06 with a carbon package, and that has 800 horsepower, and our 6500 Chevy, that's a 2021 with 23 miles, is going on bring a trailer. We may as well throw this one in too. That's a one owner convertible 3 Series. All right, we're gonna take it for a spin down Ravenswood. Steering is a little bit off. Brakes feel good. We're gonna go over some bumps here. So it does track to the left as you're driving it. Let's see how the acceleration is. We'll do it from a dead stop right here. See how it feels. You ready? Not bad. It's 70 kilometers an hour. There's definitely a little bit of play in the steering. I can feel it pulling from the left when you accelerate, so perhaps the ball joints are going out. We're gonna turn left here and let you guys decide if this is the right ride for you. We're gonna get some outside shots and get some drive-bys so you can make a really good decision. All right, we're taking a left here. Turn signal's working. One thing I want you guys to realize is I'm pointing out all the imperfections on the car. This car is great, it runs and drives, it starts up easily, brakes are working as they should, but it does need work. So that's why we point all these things out. So if you're a buyer from a different state, you can feel exactly what we're feeling and you know exactly what you're gonna purchase. It's a great project for somebody who's driving down the road with no problems. We don't have any overheating issues, temperature's slowly rising. We're gonna turn right here, get some outside shots, and let you continue to decide if this is the right 1980 Corvette for you. I hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. We're gonna test out the features right now. So, see if the headlights work. I can hear the vacuum operating. I've got both headlights up. That's great. That's normally a problem issue with these cars. Closing them right now. Turn signal indicator's working on the inside. So this car originally came from Canada, which is pretty neat. The transmission shift's excellent. It's nice and smooth. What we'll do right now is take a left here and I'll actually be able to stretch its legs. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna gauge shift it. I put it into the first position, so first gear, second gear, third gear. That allows us to rev it out further than how the automatic would normally shift. Ready? Chirps in a second. Third gear. That's about 60 miles per hour. Brakes are stopping it evenly. Steering wheel's a little bit sideways, but otherwise it's running and driving great. You could drive this anywhere. I feel comfortable pushing it and actually using the brakes, stopping, the whole 9 yards. Let's get some outside shots. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. I'm sure you saw that airplane fly by. We're right next to the Fort Lauderdale Airport if you want to come in for a test drive. Have a great day. Thanks again.